realized after she came, picked them back up, he wasn't the same. Up till now, I haven't seen the same man since.
So I remember he told me on Bling Alive that you wanted him, but he didn't wanted you, and you were looking for a relationship, but he wants to business. So did he make you feel like you guys were in a relationship,
What
or
you talking about? That's my man. What you talking about? You can't believe, man. What you
and yeah, do the thing them on your
acting? I must say acting.
Mary look good. Me I say I want that Mary look in the mirror and say oh sexy and clean her skin is me I say Mary a top girl. So all that them man they feel look on all for your fat pum pum and
Let's accept it. You know what? Something tell myself it just said me and him never did. Cause one-sided relationship no work. When I spend all the money and it was a romance scam. It was a romance scam gone wrong. Turn on that for me. It was a romance scam gone wrong.
This?
The headphone.
It's not on?
No, it was a romance scam gone wrong because,
Back?
you know, I was a spender.
no, you really not link up your face big and move on going. Mary Swisley same like you.
Listen, no disrespect, you understand? Because at the end of the day, you know, still might see me and Seven Lord together. So, me not go disrespect my husband for none of you know. So, you know, fuck off. Yeah? Because me and Seven Lord are the biggest drama king and queen. The last time Seven Lord said to me, say, Mari, we need more drama to write more songs. So, you understand? No disrespect at the end of the day.
That's so true. All right. And the next question that I think everybody on social media wanted to know is why did you leave him in Bahamas?
Ivany, if I lie, God kill me dead. Seven Lord don't want me to left him for a minute nor a second. Seven Lord take away my green card. Take away my green card and the extension paper for me travel upon, because my green card was up. I came on McGregor file for a new green card. When Seven Lord and him baby mother in an argument about him daughter, because Seven Lord tell me so Seven Lord show me, say him and the girl never really there, the baby mother after the first child. So him saying go back there and have sex with her and she said she pregnant. So him not sure if the second child a him. Me tell him say, in this time and age, him need to do a blood test. Him ask me if the child look like him and me say no. Me say looking at the son, there's no doubt that the son is yours. But I don't see where the little girl is yours. I don't feel it. You get me?
Mm-hmm.
So, I go down into a reading to see if the little girl is. And the spirit show me, say, the mother was sleeping with somebody else and the little girl look like that man. Remember, I know, me and him so close, you know, we do spiritual work together. We read up one another, everything we do together. So you ask me my opinion and me give it to you. And me tell him, say, you know, the little girl no look like him. Plus him tell me, say, the mother confessed to him, say she did hungry and she go sleep with another man. So me say, with technology and everything, you need to do a blood test. So
the story you reach Mari.
Eh?
Yeah, after the blood test, yeah, and then what happened after a blood test?
No, them not do the blood test. Him was on the phone with the mother. And the mother, I say, a fee. So him say, baby, you know, say she dey on the phone. And she tell me, say, I fee her. So me are your wifey. So me say, tell her, take a blood test. She turned to the little girl, you know, and tell the little girl, say, Daddy, I say, you are no fee. You know, Jamaican children smart. Mm-hmm. Then the little girl don't want to talk to him.
Live and then me I go request you. My request off, me no fi turn it on.
So the little girl don't want to talk to him. And me I say, why would the mother do that? All she have to do is get up, go take the blood test. Don't get the child involved. You understand? So me expect him to kind of lose it when me I come to Jamaica and you tell me to bring iPad for your son and your daughter and you're not sure if your daughter have for you. And then Mari have enough sense and Mari I say, why it's possible that is not yours. So take him no want to hear it because him feel say he can't trick everybody, but you know, if he say somebody can't trick him. So I must say, the girl, him said the only reason, as God is my witness, Seven Lord said, Mary, the only reason me still deal with her is because me don't want to go on child support. And me say, Seven Lord, maybe the reason why she never go to the judge and put you on child support is because she knows that the daughter no feel. Because once she go to court, she would have to do the blood test. You understand? So you might think that she's a nice person, but she's not really a nice person. She just don't want you to find out, so she trick you. You get me? So Seven Lord Seven Lord is hurt about not me, he's hurt about she. Because Seven Lord was with a white lady. And the white lady tell me, say, Mari, the girl get pregnant during her 9-year relationship with him. And then the girl get pregnant again. That whole time Seven Lord there with the white lady. You understand?
Yeah, me understand. So do you think, even though it's your man and you left him in Bahamas and all that, do you think then after this I think you should take on because you know to ask the question. I think so do you think you will forgive him for trying to take your green card and you guys can start over and just
I would forgive him because we always fight.
but do you think
We always fight. We are two strong spirits. But he's my baby for life.
but
No matter who come in my life, there are things we do together that I'll never forget.
so
Intercourse is the best.
why is he telling Blinger that he will never ever talk back to you for leaving
That's
him?
how he is. That's how he is. You know, understand, so for life is drama life. All of Jamaica, the police, them know way. Because all of Jamaica and put up my suitcase on street side and police have been involved and go pick up my suitcase and him say no one nothing to do with me. Then him a call and a beg me to forgive him. A regular thing.
Blinger said she had some questions she wanted to ask you because the man Blinger talk, but right now, Mari, I have 4.8k people on my life and they're all requesting that they're one of your favorite songs.
Yeah.
One of their favorite songs is Teeth and Tongue Will Meet.
No, but
What's that song called again?
It's in regards to domestic violence.
Right. Right. Because
Yeah, I wrote
he
it
said that he was
for
going to hit
healing.
you. He said he was
And
going to hit you. So we said Amari even write a song about that. So why would you want to hit Amari? Amari don't do violence. So you don't mind if you could sing like some of it?
yeah, I don't mind because, ladies and gentlemen, I love Seven Lord, but you have a problem of beating me. You understand?
Right. And I tell him
And
that
this
you
is
don't.
what I want to say to you, baby. Let me ask you a question. Have you ever hit your mother or your sister or daughter? Question. Why you want to pull the dagger? Motherfucker, question. No girl turn lesbian. Teeth and tongue will meet. Make me feel complete. Teeth and tongue will meet. No want you under me sheet, him say. Teeth and tongue will meet. Move your bumper cleat. Teeth and tongue will meet. Don't want you under me sheet, him say. Come gal bend over. Come gal bend over. Cock it up. That hurt because you beat me, then you want to have sex with me. It hurt.
Yo!
You understand?
Yes!
Yeah, man. Seven Lord, give the worst beating. The worst.
Yo! Maria, the body singing a dancehall. If Una get it now, Una get it again.
Dancehall Mona Lisa.
So, Zina, I think you should ask Mari the questions because she stated from the get go that she'd rather people ask her what happened than assume. And since you are the one who speak with Baby Lord more than how I did, I think you have the right questions. You and Roger, that's what I you guys. I think you have the right question. And since you do this judge thing and the interview thing, I think you guys are the perfect person to ask for while I just sit and watch.